There are several types of epicyclic gear train. Let us start with a simple epicyclic gear train. A simple epicyclic gear train consists of the following components: sun wheel with external teeth, planet wheels, planet wheel carrier, and an annulus with internal teeth. A Ravigno-type double epicyclic gear train has the following components: annulus, planet wheel carrier, planet wheels meshed together, small sun wheel, and large sun wheel. With a Ravigno-type epicyclic gear train, it is possible to obtain up to 6 gear ratios. The annulus, planet wheel carrier and sun wheel become the drive component, reaction component, or output component, according to which gear ratio the driver wants. Let us look at the various configurations available with a simple epicyclic gear train. To obtain a lower gear, the reaction component is the annulus. The drive component is the sun wheel. The system operates the relevant brakes and clutches to lock or drive these components. The speed of rotation of the gearbox output is lower than the input speed of rotation. To obtain a higher gear, the reaction component is the annulus. The drive component is the planet wheel carrier. The speed of rotation of the gearbox output is higher than the input speed of rotation. In direct drive, there is no reaction component. The drive components are the annulus and the sun wheel. The speed of rotation of the gearbox output is the same as the input speed of rotation. To obtain reverse gear by reversing the direction of rotation, the reaction component is the planet wheel carrier, and the drive component is the annulus. The rotation of the gearbox output is in the opposite direction from the input direction of rotation. Other mechanical components act on the epicyclic gear trains. When the vehicle is driving in urban areas, heavy engine braking in first gear reduces driving pleasure. To eliminate this disadvantage, some automatic transmissions have an additional component, a one-way clutch. The one-way clutch makes it possible to obtain an automatic first gear without engine braking. The one-way clutch allows the planet wheel carrier to turn in one direction only. The engine drives the wheels, but the wheels do not drive the engine. When the lever is in the park position, the vehicle is immobilized because the park wheel on the output shaft is locked mechanically. The shape of the park wheel teeth prevents accidental engaging when driving. A spring exerts a force on the parking lock pawl to force it to engage at the slightest movement of the vehicle. A second spring on the spindle of the parking lock pawl keeps the pawl disengaged while driving and prevents it engaging.